So how can you turn off the orange light on the iPhone? Let me explain it, and if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So it kind of depends on what the orange light is, but most likely it happens or shows up whenever something is using the microphone. So, for example, if I go to the voice recordings and start a new one, you're gonna notice that now in the dynamic island at the top, we have the orange light. And even if I go back, you can see that it's always there in the control center telling me that this app has now used my microphone. So it is technically a privacy feature, so you always know which app is using the microphone or if there is one which uses it to begin with. But if you have it turned on or the orange light is there all the time, well, in that case it's not very good, which means that some app is constantly accessing your microphone. And you can check it out inside of the settings where you go to the privacy and security, and there is going to be the microphone access below. And you can see which apps can access it, and if you feel like some app is using it a little too much, or if you went to the control center and saw that some app constantly accesses it, you can come in here and literally disable it, because there are some apps where it is absolutely useful, right? For example, like dictation and I don't know, the WhatsApp, right, for phone calls and so on. But in plenty of apps, it's literally not needed, right? Like I don't know, in like a journal app, right, it makes no sense. Or Snapchat, really, I don't need it there, right? Zoom calls and all of the stuff, it might be useful. So the point is that you have to go through and kind of like audit or manage your permissions and make sure that no unwanted app is actually accessing it, therefore showing the orange light on the screen. So that's the thing I wanted to quickly explain. If that is the problem you had, let me know in the comments below if we managed to fix it. But for more tutorials and videos like this, subscribe and you'll never miss them.